evening. My husband will do unboxing. The one that we ordered from Lazada. So the price of this, guys, is 1,000. I forgot. Where is the price? 9. But the price of this is 1,009 plus. So this is to cut the wedges. So mister, open it. I hope we win. We get the best quality. We will win for the best quality of product from this online store. Start from here, baby.
Should I start there?
Yeah. You must not remove from the, or else you break the metal. Maybe very low quality. Oh. We don't know. We choose to buy online because it's very hard to travel with the bus when you have things to carry.
Yeah, the big things
Yeah.
the most you find only Manila.
Yeah.
The place very difficult to find.
Yeah, because here in Tagaytay City is the store is limited. Even there in the A store, they have limited items. Yeah, this one they don't have this kind of product to cut the branches. This is for the branches and the
Small branches, bush.
bush.
Most for bush.
We have a lot of bush since we left here from May. And also before, I ordered the mailbox because mostly Filipino, we don't have mailbox. And I have bills like from Meralco, from the water company. I did not unsubscribe to have bill from them because I want to have paper also. And also I can use the paper that they can see my name in the bills. Try not to damage the bubble wrap. Cut in the middle. It's very good packaging now. Unlike before, they package only the box. They don't have bubble wrap. So far, all the items that we received since 3 days. 3 days pa shots. 3 days, yeah? We received packages that we ordered online. And then all of them have bubble wrap. Like
Still damage inside.
Oh, yeah, the one that we ordered is there is damage, right? Because the one we ordered is cheaper price. I think the first layer shots you have to remove first. My husband hardly to remove. Also the the mailbox, there is a little bit damage, like the fiberglass removed from the where you can see the visible item, the letters was removed from the steel. And the multi-tools, we get freebies. The Google is damaged for the eye protection. No, you have to remove the first layer of the bubble wrap. My husband hardly to open it. So far, I can see the product is they closed the. It seems they did not open yet. They don't control what's inside because there is some masking tape. It's visible like that. Oh. What else we ordered? Yeah, the fork, gardening fork. 1, 2, 3,
So,
4.
ta-da-da.
Ah, so that one, oh. Wad hedge trimmer. Wow. Wad fowl. You want to start tomorrow for trimming?
Oh,
So do not throw the back shots
yeah, that's perfect
for storage.
bananas.
So for what is this? This one item. Wow, looks good. What fowl?
Oh,
This is the company of the. Wow,
safe,
wow.
smart, safe. It's good.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and then
Where is the wire? Ah, short wire.
yeah, that's normal. Yeah.
It looks from Europe sets because it's round. The round socket.
Made in China.
Made in China. Made in China, guys. 550 watts hedge trimmer.
Hmm.
Shorter. Shorter, girl.
Good, you can. Far. Well,
We supposed to buy from
you can
Switzerland. Yeah,
you can turn around 30 and 90 grad, 90 degree.
90 degrees.
Back to normal. And left hand.
Only the handle.
Yeah, that you can. Here you make this, but then you must make this. Then it's more easier.
Mm-hmm.
So you turn on 90
The handle
degrees.
is possible to turn
Oh, that's
around.
good. For this price, my goodness.
1,009. 1,009. 900 plus. 1,900. I remember 1,000. Yeah. So that's all, guys. We really have very good product. For what is this purpose, baby?
Here for, I think,
For cover.
for
Yeah.
safety there.
That you don't
maybe not to
touch.
go and lift the hand here inside. So you have a safety shield.
Ah, so that's all. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this product. Please like and buy. For a sponsorship, you can send us email.